Hello everyone, myself Aman Kumar Sharma and I am here to give my points on the topic that is the importance of education and the nation's commitment to all aspects of education. Importance of education for any nation is a paramount. A nation is advanced, developed and self-reliant to measure its education is developed, advanced and unique. Education is the spark that ignites the faculties of mind, body and intellect with further develop into skills and knowledge. Without education, these faculties would remain mere seeds of possibilities. Education, since ancient times, has been instrumental in broadening man's outlook on life. It has always humbled man. Before receiving education, man is like a bulb without light, always living but without light. However, the power of education makes him glow with light. Education can prove to be panacea for all the problems a nation is facing. The challenges of pollution, population, terrorism, right use of technology, etc. can be overcome by linking them with education. Education can play the important roles in solving the problems of mankind. The first and the foremost rule of education is to build strong, enlightened character of men and women. Low morals and ignorance are the root causes behind all the ills that pester monking. Education has the power to dispel the darkness of ignorance and put the man's distorted perspective right. Education can also provide man the insight and wisdom to utilize the natural resources optimally. Secondly, the problems pertaining to pollution, environmental degradation, etc. can be solved using education by interlinking with educational institutes with the advanced research centers. The students at schools and colleges can be involved in research programs. They may develop the green vehicles which will provide our environment a green and useful energy. And now, the nation's commitment to all aspects of education to provide state-of-the-art educational facilities to all the children and people in the responsibility of nation. To create and develop world-class educational infrastructure requires lots of investment of resources and only the national government has so much money and power. Progressive preschools, schools, colleges and universities equipped with latest teaching and learning aids should be established in each and every city. Quality dedicated and visionary teachers, educators, professors and administrators should run these educational institutes with commitment and dedication. In my opinion, if a nation can provide the best educational facilities and educators, that nation is sure to advance with fastest speed. I hope you liked my points, and at last I would like to say that education is a must for each and every children. Thank you so much.